Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Friday, the 7th of June. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays wet, unsettled, stormy at times through early next week. Beneficial rain we need, and we're getting it. Check things out. There's the upper look. Got a deep trough just west of the state, providing upward rising air motion. And you combine that with a deep layer of tropical moisture, and it's just going to be wet at times for a while. That was the radar this morning at 5 o'clock. Heavier showers at that point over on the eastern side of the state. Temperatures are in the 70s. Dew points are in the 70s. We'll see highs in the low to mid 80s today. We'll say 80 to 85 for most spots. There's the watch warning map around the nation. A few pockets where flash flood watches are currently in effect, including southern Mobile and Baldwin counties and the western tip of the Florida Panhandle. There's the severe weather outlook today. We have an enhanced risk of severe storms way up north, but around the deep south, we have a marginal risk for about the southern two-thirds of Alabama. Areas south of a line from near Vernon to Aniana to Weiss Lake. The area is in darker green, and there could be a few storms this afternoon or this evening with strong gusty winds. We don't expect any hail. This is a warm core system. And I guess you might say there's the chance, a very small chance of a brief isolated tornado somewhere, but the overall risk of that for our state is pretty low. Tomorrow, marginal risk for parts of North Florida, South Georgia. Day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk over parts of Texas. This is the additional rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. Heaviest rain really over the Carolinas now. In Alabama, the additional rain amounts for most locations between 2 and 3 inches. But again, note those big numbers on the Gulf Coast. If you're beach-bound down toward Gulf Shores, Destin, Panama City Beach, it's going to be pretty wet at times. But there'll be breaks in the rain, but fairly wet through Monday of next week. This is the excessive rain outlook today, and almost all of Alabama in a slight risk of excessive rain and maybe some flooding issues. But thankfully, of course, the ground up until a few days ago was certainly not saturated, going so long without rain. So we should be able to take most of the rain that falls without major flooding problems. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Big upper trough just west of the state. Moist air. Scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs 80 to 85. Impossible in this pattern to give you start-stop times for the rain for any specific spots. Just be ready for it. And no change for the weekend. This is tomorrow, and this is Sunday. Cloudy, occasional showers and storms. Highs low to mid-80s. Really not much change on Monday. Drier air tries to creep into the far western side of the state. Tuesday, the better chance of rain shifting over into east and southeast Alabama. And for northern and western parts of the state, the day should be dry. And then Wednesday, the latest GFS wanting to keep some moisture around, suggesting we better bring back a chance of showers. For now, we have the forecast dry. We'll watch the next couple of runs, see how it goes. Thursday looks rain-free with chance of showers north of here. And a week from today, Friday the 14th, troughing over the northeastern states, that looks dry and pleasant. Highs next week, again, low to mid-80s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June 16th. Heights are coming up. And if that verifies, it would be dry. Check the QPF coming off the GFS, the green line. That's the one to watch. That's the ensemble mean. Additional rain for the next 15 days, around 3 inches. And, of course, you got some of the members over 5 inches, but you want to watch the mean there. And the numbers, mostly low to mid-80s through next week. And then we go back in the low 90s out there after June 16th. This is the 6 to 10-day temperature outlook coming from CPC. Look at all the blue shades. That's awfully nice for summer. That means much of next week, the eastern and central states will see temperatures that are below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.